Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to remove an account from Mint in 2025. Mint is a fantastic tool for tracking your finances, but sometimes you need to tidy up by removing an old or unused account. This process is simple and quick, taking just a few minutes, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mint account on the app or website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. It's the key to accessing your settings. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab, usually found in the menu on the left side or at the top of the screen. This is where all your linked bank accounts, credit cards, and investments are listed. Next, find the specific account you want to remove. Click on it to select it, and then look for an options menu. It might be a three-dot icon or Edit button. From there, select Remove or Delete Account. Mint might prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you really want to proceed, as this action is permanent. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. After that, the account should disappear from your list. Double-check by refreshing the page or navigating back to the Accounts section. One important tip for 2025. Mint has updated its interface for better security, so you might need to re-enter your password during this process. If you run into any issues, like an error message, it could be due to linked transactions. In that case, unlink any dependencies first. And remember, removing an account from Mint doesn't affect your actual bank account, it's just removing the connection. There you have it, you're all set. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.